Why is the rum always gone? Could it be a weird sciencey fact that boggles my mind? It turns out Mars really missed their mark when they had to start munching on the Milky Way. Because despite what Skittles would have us believe, you cannot in fact taste the rainbow. But our galaxy happens to have the aroma and flavor of some of our favorite refreshments, albeit two very unrelated ones. Now, researchers have long been looking for signs of life to let us know that we're not alone in the universe, and one of the things that they've been searching for is amino acids, which is a complex molecule that's one of the building blocks of life. And incredibly, they found one of the 20 essential amino acids for life in a solar system only about 1,000 light years away from us last year. But back in 2009, they were looking for life in all the wrong places as well, using a radio telescope to hunt for those elusive amino acids. How that works, I don't really know. They tried explaining it in the article, but I'm not really smart enough to figure it out. I kind of get it, but it's really not the point of this video. The point is that using their fancy radio telescope to sniff around dust clouds in the Milky Way galaxy, they found a molecule called ethyl formate. And that happens to be the molecule that makes the raspberries taste like raspberries. That same molecule also happens to smell like rum, which means that Mars missed the memo, and Milky Way bars should have smelled like a bar and tasted like raspberries instead of caramel and nougat and chocolate. Also, can we just take a break for a moment and appreciate that Farnsworth's smelloscope in Futurama is like legit basically a real thing? Researchers legit have a telescope that they can use to tell us what outer space smells like. It's the future, man. We're living in it. Anyway, maybe it's for the best that Mars didn't go with the authentic Milky Way flavor and smell, because the other molecule that they discovered for the first time in this dust cloud was propylcyanide, which is decidedly much less delicious than raspberries. On the other hand, a snack with propylcyanide in it would feed you for the rest of your life. Pros and cons, you know? But the fact that radiation recorded by radio astrologists lets us ruminate on how the regions and the far-removed reaches would remind us of raspberries and rum, well, that is pretty mind-boggling.